Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ebon Mutegbe, and guess who is in Vegas right now? Me. Yeah, I flew in from LA this morning into Las Vegas. I'm here with three of my friends from TCN Community Group. TCN is the Covenant Nation, formerly known as CCC, Covenant Christian Center, headed by Pastor Poju Oyemade. That was my church in Nigeria, and we usually have summer trips every summer. We went to Mexico last year, and hopefully one day I'm able to release the vlog. I still have a long way editing those vlogs, to be very honest, but fingers crossed, I'll finish editing them and bring them out someday. But yeah, right now I just landed in Vegas, and I came in from LA this morning. And my question to everybody flying from Atlanta Hartsfield International Airport or domestic airport is, where are people always going to? That place is like the custom line is always very low. Where are people always traveling to? LA was just easy breezy. Like, it was, I don't know, I spent just a few minutes on the line, passed through customs and everything, and then I was already sitting down waiting for my flight. That was really cool. It was really nice that I didn't have to wait so long before my flight. Anyway, so yeah, I'm in Vegas. Vegas airport, by the way, is really nice. Like, from the airport you see casinos, so you know that it's like welcome to Vegas when you get to the airport. Literally, I got to the airport. I had to wait. I landed first. I took the morning flight, so I waited for the other people. I saw Precious first, and then myself and Precious waited for Oladili, who then we picked up the car at the rental, and then came to the Airbnb. Let me give you guys a tour. Actually was to do a tour. Hey. Wow. This is nice. So, hey, I don't see that. To the kitchen. Oh my God, this is wow. Okay.
Wait. And the room's upstairs or downstairs?
Let's check upstairs. They should be upstairs, I think. So this is my room. This is so nice. Hey. This is nice. Whew. Let's see what the space is. Wow, the whole closet. Hey. Unfortunately, we'll be here for just a few days, but this is what the outside looks like. This is one cozy living area, living room, and then this is the kitchen. And then this is another dining area and living room. This is nice. And then that's upstairs where some of the other rooms are. yeah, so you've seen the house. It's really nice. Then we plan to get groceries and then pick up Mayowa at some point. He lands later this evening. So yeah, we are 4, and that's just the 4 of us. Tomorrow we plan to go to Grand Canyon in Arizona, Phoenix. I think that was one of the reasons why we actually picked Nevada, so that we could do Grand Canyon hike and then check out places in Vegas. We plan to do like the main Vegas trip on Saturday and then leave on Sunday. So it's actually a really short trip. It's like a weekend trip, and this will be a short vlog. Yeah, but I hope that we have a nice time. It's really hot in Vegas right now. Like, it is so hot. I think the last time I experienced this kind of hot weather is in Texas. I think, yeah, Texas is also as hot as this, but fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. We hope to have a great experience, and I will bring you guys along as usual. Alrighty, bye for now.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Big vlog, and today she has the privilege of 2 experienced cooks joining her. Let's see how things go. So stay posted. No, we'll reveal it gradually. Keep watching and subscribe to our channel. See you in 2 minutes.
Chef T, what do you have to say?
So for me to be able to like let you guys go, I will let you guys predict what we are making. Yes. So see that? I want you to predict what we are making. All right? Yeah. So you guys go ahead and predict what we are making. Anybody that gets it, you get the taste out of this food.
Exactly, now you're speaking.
Oh, did he make egg? Yes.
He bought it.
Oh, he bought egg.
Hey guys, you don't know like 5 minutes. I'm done.
You don't know how you wanted it. Lies. Oh my god. I'm sure I did not like that food, but I didn't want to talk about it.
You have any option?
You want to announce it. I love pasta. You can never go wrong with pasta.
That yesterday's one was wrong. All shades of wrong.
Until they send me Mandarin.
You two, you are going to take out and you are doing pasta.
No, but actually the thing is here, to us, we feel it's wrong. But to them it's a good food.
It's steakhouse pasta now.
Okay, we're ready.
Since no one was able to predict and guess what we are cooking,
We'll tell you.
We'll tell you.
We'll tell you.
So,
We'll tell you.
there are different parts of this kitchen, as you can tell. There is the sauteing part of this kitchen.
Yeah.
There is the deep cooking part of the kitchen. And there's the, the treats part of the kitchen where you get smoothie and stuff.
Yeah.
And then there's the behind the camera scene.
Which is the tasting.
The tasting.
Which is this still the 12 that will do it.
Which two of you?
You check on that.
It's the same word.
Exactly.
So I'm about to boil 4 packets of this gluten-free barilla spaghetti. And you need to have the right temperature. So the temperature is, I think, is around like 80 degrees right here. And then let water boil. I've added oil. And once it's done, you add your spaghetti and you get ready for good experience.
Exactly.
I hand it over to my next experienced chef.
So what I'm doing right here is we marinated the beef chops and our shrimp, right? So now in order for us to get all the flavor out of this beef and this shrimp, right, we have to first saute both of them. So see, we've done part of it. We are doing that now, then we'll do this shrimp. Then we'll now go to make our sauce. Hello, you just sit back, relax, wait for good food. And if you are not here, you are missing out. Sorry.
Okay. Come on.
See you soon. So which one are you referring to? So with cooking, accidents might happen. But it's good when you are experienced and prepared. So we had our spaghetti and, some things were going astray and we kind of corrected it. So I won't reveal that secret. That's the secret on how to make good spaghetti.
Nasu.
So watch out. The next chef is going to give you some insight.
Okay. This chef has resigned to the couch. Excuse sir. What's the update? Chef P.
Everything is ready.
Chef Precious. What's the update?
Well,
Oh, that one is done?
Yeah.
I'm waiting for the food to be ready. Everything is set. I've done my own part of the job. I've put everything
Yeah,
together.
No, your job ends.
Let's go to the kitchen. Let's go.
The rest of my job is
Leave
to sit
the
on
vlog
the
in
dining and chow. Eat this food that these wonderful chefs are making.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, cool. Today is Friday.
Friday or Saturday?
Ah, today is Saturday. Oh. Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday, and yesterday we had plenty plans. We said we are going to Hoover Dam, we are going to this, we are going to that. What's the time? This is already 11:03, and we are still here cooking food. You have seen updates from the chef so far. Hopefully the food is nice. But Precious is here, so I'm sure it's going to be nice. But today.
What do you mean Precious is here? Does she have any influence?
No, she's giving you guys vibes, like good vibes. Like she's giving you guys support, the support that you need.
Wow.
Anyway, let's see what we'll do today. We'll still go out, but we are all chilled for now, making food. We bought food on Thursday, and we realized that we are leaving tomorrow, so we have to cook the food before we leave. But today should still be fun, regardless. Please let's play Ludo today. Thanks and God bless.
I'm ready whenever. Yeah, by the way, she wants to challenge me in Ludo. Or I want to challenge her.
He wants to
I heard at
challenge
the
me.
last, what was it?
Tournament.
The last tournament, you trashed everybody. To the point where Ladine has PTSD. Playing Ludo.
Oh my God. We'll see. I try my best. I'm not the, it's not like I won medal before, but I try my best. But we'll see.
Wow.
We'll see.
Now,
But anyway.
now you are forming unbelief.
But yeah, let's see what we get to do today.
Okay.
And other than that, we'll see you later.
It's really a faster person. There should be a lead. You can use that lead.
A few moments later.
Food is ready, yo.
12 o'clock.
But is it 12 o'clock already?
Yeah.
Hey.
Minutes. 11:45.
Okay. Yo.
Yeah, I saw it in the film.
Oh yeah, we are finally here.
The
at
Hoover Dam.
Dam. I literally can't look up because the sun is crazy.
And everybody's envying my hat.
Lucky you. Now I wish I brought my bucket hat, but oh well. Oh God, the sun is crazy today.
So what
It's
exactly
over
are we checking
100
out here?
degrees. I don't know. Whatever we find.
I hope you're not doing like following the crowds.
Oh my God. Whoosh. I'm definitely going to be black. Very black after this.
Wait,
Finish our excursion here.
You say it's like this
That is
one.
very You are going to
We are at 7 Magic Mountain and we want to take pictures. Oladile and Maya was vexing that it's just artwork. Whether it's artwork or not.
Well,
just, yeah.
this one is artwork. I think this one is still artwork.
Yeah.
What
But
of the
it's
signboard are you
signboard.
going to go and snap in front of? Signboard. You going to go and snap in front of the signboard.
It's part of the day.
At least this one
I'm
is
telling
still
you.
artwork. Somebody conceived it, put it,
Explain why will you
carry it
call-
stone way. Of full moon.
When we're going, you were
Get
hating on the
shot.
Magic Mountain. But now you're loving up on it. What changed? It did magic on you.
What changed? Because I took some badass pictures.
And now you're feeling
I
yourself.
loved it.
Okay. The
Then
creativity.
I now started picturing how it would look in full moon. When I saw the moon coming from this place, I was like, badass background, mountains and desert combination.
But we are leaving the Magic Mountain now.
Where are we going to now? Have we decided?
Bellagio Fountain.
We have to figure a way to park. You know,
Yeah, that's true. We're leaving! This was
I've
fun.
left.